First, I will give you, this is New India Samachar. This is a fortnightly which INB Ministry has started, and it is reaching all Gram Panchayat, Jilla Parishad, MLAs, MPs, all important officers and journalists. So those who are not getting it regularly hard copy can give their address to Murugan and they will transmit me within 1 week. And more importantly, those who want it on soft copy, because we are sending 5 crore soft copies and 5 lakh hard copies. So this is one. And second is this booklet on farmers' problem in Tamil, because we have translated it in all the languages. So today you have heard Prime Minister Modi himself, but this gives the complete background and all the information. This is ready reference book which I prescribe so that you can write either way, but information is there. Friends, I have 2 issues in mind. I know the issue which you want to ask is about Tamil Nadu election. That I will take at the last. And what I will start with, what is happening around in the country in last 4 months electorally. Bihar. As you know, NDA won 3rd time. And the net inside story is BJP has increased the seats and Congress has reduced the seats. So BJP is coming, Congress is going. BJP is rising, Congress is diminishing. That is the story of Bihar election. In Rajasthan, Congress is ruling the state. The rule in Rajasthan is for last 20 years, whoever is the ruling in the state wins the Jilla Parishad polls. But this time, it happened different. BJP won 13 out of 21 Jilla Parishads. Complete full majority in 13 Jilla Parishad out of 21 Jilla Parishad. And first time this 20 years formula has lost, and there also the story is same. BJP is increasing, BJP is raising, Congress is diminishing. Congress is lost, BJP has won. Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir, the net result is the largest party of Jammu Kashmir is now BJP. It has won more number of seats than any other party. And more importantly, it has got a record number of votes. So if Gupkar Alliance and Independent total is taken together, BJP is still more than that. And Congress has lost badly. Again, the story is BJP is rising, Congress is diminishing. So that's what is happening. Hyderabad. You have seen we had 4 corporators. Now we have 48 corporators. BJP is rising. Congress, the TRS has come down, and Congress has also come down to 1 seat. Their president has resigned. In Goa, the Jilla Parishad election, BJP got absolute majority in all Jilla Parishad and Panchayat Samitis. Absolute majority all over Goa. BJP is rising, Congress is going down, and Congress president has resigned. Arunachal, BJP has won unopposed 5,500 seats of panchayats out of 8,000 seats. That's a huge story by itself. Again, BJP is rising, Congress is losing. Bodoland. BJP had only one member in Bodoland Territorial Council elections. Now we are 9. And NDA is back in rule. So we are ruling Bodoland also. So all over the country, right from Jammu Kashmir to Bodoland to Arunachal to Goa to Hyderabad to Rajasthan, and by-elections, Madhya Pradesh, 19 out of 28 assembly elections. UP, 6 out of 6, and those 6 seats were not ours. Gujarat, all were Congress seats, 8 out of 8, BJP won, Congress lost. Manipur, all were Congress seats, 4 out of 4, BJP won. So the story is, BJP is rising everywhere, Congress is losing everywhere. So this is result of credibility of leadership of BJP, Modi. Modi's credibility and leadership are the two basic reasons for this rise of BJP. And we are voted by rural as well as urban. We are voted by poor as well as trader, as well as middle class, as well as professional classes. So, because of all these 9 results and analysis, I am very confident that Tamil Nadu elections also BJP will show stellar performance. We will have stellar performance to show. And the way even today's rallies have got the response of the farmers is worth watching and worth noting. People are with this cause. They want progress. They want development. They want credible leadership. And they want promises to be fulfilled. And not the petty politics. Many other parties all over the country have family parties. Our party is one family. The difference between other parties and our party is many are family parties, one family party. Ours is party is a family. And so that is the main difference. And so I am very sure Tamil Nadu also, NDA will definitely show stellar performance and wait for the results.